Hello children, now I am going to teach you Y, V, W, B and X letters. We have to find the pictures and the word. The first one here, capital Y, simple Y. Here, capital V, simple V. Capital W, simple W. Capital B, simple B. Capital X, simple X. Now the first one, Y. Y for, yes, what is this? Y for yogurt. Yogurt here. Y for yogurt. Then the word, the first letter here, Y. Y. Y for yogurt. Okay. Y for yogurt. Then the next letter, V. V for, what is this? Volcano. Right? V for volcano. Here, fire. Look. V for volcano. Here. And the word we have to find. Here, volcano. Volcano. Here, the first letter is V. Right? Now we will go to the next one. W. What's the letter? W. W for window. Here, window. Look, W for window. Here, the first letter here, window, W. Here, V, first letter is V, volcano. Here, yogurt, Y, first letter is Y. Here, W, the first letter is W. W for window. Right? Now the last one here, next one, B. What's this? B. Here, B for B. Capital B, simple B. The picture here, B. What is this? B. Look, B. B for B. Here, the picture, B. The first letter here, B. B for B. Here, yogurt, volcano, window, B. And the last one is Z. X. What's the letter? X. X for xylophone. 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 Here the word xylophone. Right? Now look. Y. Y for yogurt. And the word, first letter is Y. Yogurt. And here V. Volcano. And the first letter V here, volcano. Right? Now here W. W for window. The first letter here, W. The word is window. Right here, the first letter, this letter we call B. What's the letter? B. B for B. B. Here, the word B. The first letter here, B. B for B. And the word B. Now the last one, X. X. X love 4. X love 4. Here the first letter is X and the word here X love 4. Right. Thank you for listening, children. Hope you enjoy the lesson and all the letters we learn with pictures and words. Right. Thank you for listening.